Hey, Kansas City, fall is definitely in the air, and with elections a week away, what are we feeling in the current Kansas City housing market? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, bringing you this month's housing market update. So when we look at September 2024 compared to 2023, overall in Kansas City, we only saw 0.3% less homes closed. In Johnson County, we saw 3.7% less homes closed. For pricing, Kansas City saw an increase of 4%, with Johnson County a 3.5%. Now, when we look at the number of homes available for sale compared to the number of buyers who are looking, we are still at a 2.5-month inventory. Kansas City overall saw an increase of 6.8% in the number of homes for sale, and Johnson County saw a 2.1% decrease. As we head into elections, the lowering of rates, which was anticipated, has not yet occurred. In fact, last week they went up, and now we will look to see, but it sounds like they'll remain slightly volatile through elections. What does that mean? You've never purchased a house due to an interest rate. And with the partnerships we have with longtime lenders who have been through these markets before, we have great conversations in place for buyers who are looking right now. So if you know someone who is looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, it might be the right time for them to have a conversation. As always, Kansas City, it is our pleasure being your real estate professional of choice.